Good morning everyone and welcome to the second assembly, which is going to be on willpower, which is our next Shine Like Stars. We're going to be talking about Shining Like Stars with willpower. Yesterday you practiced and you did all of your talents, but you would have found them hard at different points and you would have had to show some willpower to get through the difficult times. If you were trying something new yesterday, well done, but again you would have needed that willpower. So we're talking about our second one of our Shine Like Stars today, which is willpower. So a big thank you to everyone who watched yesterday. I know I had lots of nice comments, so thank you to David and to Sammy who made some particularly nice comments. It's really good, and other people who as well who really enjoyed yesterday's assembly. We're going to go straight into a bit of a challenge today. So the boys are here today. Finn, saying good morning, and Harry is here as well. There's Harry. So they are going to be set a challenge, a willpower challenge, during me doing my assembly today. If at this point, by the way, you want to watch the YouTube clip that is connected to today, if you go on to the website, I am putting all the PowerPoints for these assemblies or underneath the parents part there. It'll say PowerPoint. You can get the link from there. Otherwise, if you type in Cookie Monster Control Myself or Cookie Monster Self Control, then you'll find one that says Cookie Monster practices self-regulation. It's the top one there. If you watch that video now, if you pause and watch that video now, that'd be great. If not, you can watch this one at the end. Okay, so we're going to carry on from there. So you might have watched the video now, you might have a little bit more of an idea of what self-control is and willpower is as well. But those are the things we're going to talk about today. So we're going to talk about self-control and willpower. Now the boys here, as I said, are going to set a challenge. They've got some sweets here, some Haribos, which Finn and Harry both love, don't you boys?
Yeah.
Yeah, Finn and Harry love. So while I'm doing the rest of this presentation here now, they're going to show some self-control. Okay, they're going to show some self-control. They're not going to eat the sweets. That is the plan of action. And I'm going to teach them techniques about self-control and willpower as well. If they manage to not eat these sweets, then they can share the big bowl later. Obviously, parents not straight away. I'm not going to say they're going to eat all of these sweets straight away, but they can share those between them. If not, and somebody does eat some sweets and doesn't show willpower, they are sadly not going to get those sweets at all, and they'll go to the other person. So here we go. The challenge starts now, boys. Off you go. So willpower is about self-control. It's about self-discipline. And it's about setting yourself challenges. So I want you to think about it. This is a really difficult time. Really, you're doing well, Finn. A really difficult time in our lives, because we're all stuck inside. We're all spending lots of time together, which is great. And I told you to set lots of challenges, have lots of fun yesterday, and show your talents. But it's also going to be a really difficult time that you're going to have to show some willpower. And I want you to think about, before you react to things with your parents and things are difficult with your work, I want you to show willpower and take some deep breaths. So one of the things you can do, one of the things Cookie Monster talks about, is taking deep breaths when things get difficult and showing willpower that way. You could tell a joke, that would be a good idea. You could sing, you could play games, or the best thing to do to show willpower if something is getting you angry or frustrated is to walk away. Okay, so we can show and help with our willpower by doing one of those things. So willpower is a difficult thing, and it comes into everything we're doing. So you're going to do your work today, you're going to sit with your parents, you're going to find things hard at different points, but you need to try to get through that and work hard at it. All right, so moving on from there. You're doing well, Finn. Good, moving on from there. Just a little bit of a thought of some quotes for today. So I thought this quote was particularly good, and it's on the PowerPoint if you want to get this quote. It says, you need self-control. Has he eaten one? Did he eat one, really? Oh, Harry sadly has failed the challenge at this quote point. Harry, that was not great at all. What was it you had? Oh, gummy bear, just what you wanted. Finn, there's your plate of sweets. You can eat those. You can also have Harry's rest as well. Finn, well done. Big round of applause for Finn. He's shown some self-control there. Finn's so excited. Harry's not happy at all. You're quite excited about that, Finn. So, as I was saying, You need self-control. In the quote I've got today is from James C. Collins, and it says that you need self-control in an out-of-control world. And at the moment, the world does feel a little bit tough. It does feel a little bit out of control, but we still need to control ourselves and keep calm at different points. And the second one is from The Rock, who many of you know, and it says that if you can learn self-control, you can master anything. So that comes back to our talents, and I really liked that one from The Rock because it comes back to our talents yesterday, that if you can learn self-control, you can master anything. So while you are practicing your talents that we did yesterday, also think about self-control as well. So self-control and talents really work together. We need to remember in reflection on a time like this that things are tough, but we can all get through this together. And in our reflection today, I want you to think a little bit about self-control as a Christian, because as a Christian, we are trying to show self-control all the time and show God that we can control ourselves. So we're going to put our hands together, boys, and our eyes closed, and we're going to read the school prayer. This is our school. Let love live here. Love for one another, love for mankind, and love of life itself, and love of God. Let us remember that as many hands build a house, so many hearts make a school. Amen. Okay, so I want you to enjoy today. Have a really, really good day. We are going to now move into the other room because we have a little bit of a video, and I want you at this time to get this video up. You'll find it next to the Cookie Monster video that I've already put on there, and we're going to show you boys. We're going to go in the other room and we're going to have a little bit of a dance. So you all dancing this morning and nice and happy. Come on, boys, let's go. Right, see you tomorrow, everyone. Bye.